honorable audience. Today I'm here, Kainat, and with me there is Nida ma'am and Zikra ma'am. So today we are going to discuss on a very specific topic that is about Chanakya and its nitis. Well, we got this idea of making on this video. So we watched a podcast of Ranveer Ilahabadia, and in that the guest was Dr. Radhakrishna Pillai, and he explained top 5 nitis of Chanakya. So today we will be discussing over to those, and we will find few of the key points which we can apply in our life. So well, I would like to start. Will you allow me to proceed further, please?
Of course, dear, you should.
Thank you very much. I'm honored with this opportunity. Well, I want to start with the very first point, that was finding purpose in the life of us. Well, if you know, so there is most of the time very basic question being asked in interviews, also asked in the spiritual life also, and many of the different phase of life. The first question comes, that is, what is the purpose of living?
Of course.
What is the purpose of life? Who you are?
Yes.
Why God created you? So these kind of questions appear in our mind. So well, I don't say that I have got to know everything about it, but there are few of the glimpses which we can find. The very first is we have to gather ourselves with the learnings, and by learning we can select that what is our purpose. Well, after that he put the point of view of keep learning, right?
Yes.
I would like you, Nida ma'am, would you like to proceed ahead?
Of course. First of all, I would like to say thank you to my viewers for watching our video, and please watch our video till the end, because you will get a top 5 points which you can, if you will adapt into yourself, so definitely you will get grow lots of things, and you will keep into yourself for achieve and to get a peak point into your life. So as my ma'am explained about the purpose of life, so with it he spoke about the keep learning and learn with your desire. The word appear from the purpose, that was a desire, means what's your desire. If you will get to know about your purpose, definitely you will work towards your learning. And whenever you are going to learn something, you will have a main pinching point that will lead you to learn something, just like you are having a main purpose to learn, and while it you will get a curiosity that yeah, I want to learn, I want to achieve it, and with it you will grow something more towards it, and from it we get a point that was expert learning.
Yes.
Yeah, so I would like to go through my ma'am. What do you think about the expert learning?
Thank you, ma'am, for passing me this great chance.
Well, I want to interrupt in the middle, as you mentioned about keep learning.
Yeah.
So after that he mentioned about expert advice.
Yeah,
And
and
if you
learn
know,
from your-
guys, so Zikra ma'am has just spent very few time.
Yeah,
And after
that was
getting
the main point.
After getting advice of us, she groomed herself very well, that she is today able to present herself here. So we will give on that basis chance to her that how she is able to do all the things. So keep going. What's your point?
First of all, thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. I would like to tell about experts learning. Like in experts learning, we tell about if you know about Chanakya. So he is also a philosopher and psychologist also.
Yeah.
So as you know, in this time, like one buddy have, his name is Chandragupta,
Yeah.
who is due to admire to some like peoples, but on the basis of expert learnings, like he is not able to start our empire. So he is also take advice to Chanakya. Chanakya have lots of expertise learning. So I would like to tell about this.
Okay. You well explained it. That he was like Chandragupta, he took the advice of Chanakya, and by his all the guidance and his Asta Shastra, he made himself a very great king. Do you agree with me?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
sure, of
He was the greatest person and a great king. Well, after these 3 points, he also mentioned about creating an institution, and in this I found 2 points. points, that was individual and team. So institute means gathering of people who are there to seek knowledge, and this is not only one phase of it. There are different phases. We can call it team, where all the people are working towards one purpose. So that is creating an institution. But institutions start with the one,
Of course.
right? One mentality, if she is thinking about opening one business, so that is first she have to become an institute in herself.
Of
Then
course.
she can become, then she can create
Create.
an institute.
Of
So
course.
these are the points which he well explained, but a part of it also, most of the times are told us to do one thing, if you guys remember.
Yeah, of course. We will never forget
And
it.
it was in the last of the video,
Yeah.
if you remember.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so I would like to ask
That,
you.
yeah, sure, I would like to speak about it. That is documentation.
Yes.
And
absolutely.
most often, sir said us to write our own diary.
Yeah.
If when will you die, that will create a book, and from it everyone will remember you, that who you were,
Yes.
and that create a personality also, and that make we can say that to make somebody learn from it, just like Chanakya make a king or to the Chandragupta.
Yes.
He teach him in such a way, he guide him in such a way that he become a
Great.
great buddy. So from it also we got that we should write our own daily basis things. Even in the Chanakya, he also spoke of 2 points. That successful buddy, what he did, he write his own basis things. What is running in his mind to do a further. Afterwards, in a second term, what he did, he expressed in such a way that no one should not get to know that what is running and what he is doing, and even he expressed in that way, and even we also doesn't recognize that what is going on, and as a feedback appear, we get to know that oh my god, it's shockful for us, and afterwards it's convert in a happiness also.
And by this we can say that yes, in English zone we are learning those all the things practically.
Yeah, that
We
is
are
nice.
having an institution, we are becoming an institution in ourselves, and afterwards we are writing our own documentation. But in this video we got lots of learnings, but a part of it also Chanakya suggested few of the things to us, few of the other perspectives of him
Yeah.
he shared with us, and that I guess Zikra made me prepared well. Would you like to share those things?
Yeah, of course. I would like to tell about. She mentioned 3 things in this video. The first is king. Now the points come that the king means is not like the kings like that.
Actual
Now,
king.
Of course.
yeah. Now the king's point are their power.
Yes.
The power is to handle the situation, any situation we
Yeah.
have, we can satisfied and we can also handle them. That is about the power. And the second is
Second, it is about the snacks.
second is about snakes. Snakes are not means like only for biting. Snakes means is we can use her poison. Its poisonous is medicine also.
Yeah,
Like
absolutely right.
yeah, in snakes we can also if you know about whatever, like whenever the people are going in forest, then we found any snakes, but like for biting it doesn't go, that's no mean, but we can give her poisonous in for medicine, and something like, as you know, poisonous cut poisonous, that thing also came in. And the third one is
It was, I think so, fire.
Yes, it was
yeah,
fire.
it was fire on, not like that we can jealousy, like we can jealous to people who give our put our efforts.
Even it's spreaded in all environment right now, in the modern generation especially.
Yeah, if you see like lots of guys have jealousy to people, then he also fire to us, that's
Yeah.
no mean. We can fire to our study, no,
Of
that's
course,
no mean we
that's
fire to
nice.
our study, that's mean we can
Get a boost, you can say, right?
yeah,
Of course.
they can
A Josh.
yeah.
And even one point also appeared that that Ranveer Ilahabadi asked the question, that was Icha Maran, the desired death.
Desired.
So it's appear in my mind also that most of us are sad as that why do you regret? If you are having a best life, if you are doing a best karmas in your life, and even you are not doing a negative for others, then why are you regretting into yourself? If you are doing a good, then definitely you will get a best of towards it. And second, it's appear that you are going to sleep, so you thought that what I have done and what I did not do today. So we create into our mind that why I did not do it. So we try to remove it, that I should do. We make it in a negative. So why we are making? We should make it in a positive, because he indulged that is Chanakya indulged in the point of Guru Vani also. So that also reflect us.
So well, I would also like to say that don't regret in your life.
Yeah, of
As you know
course.
that you guys are watching us, so you are going through the studies of you, but maybe somewhere you are not feeling yourself satisfied because you are not getting that capacity, that learning peak points. Because of that, you are not feeling satisfied.
Yeah.
And if you don't want to regret in future, I think you should take a step for that. And we say that in the whole Rajasthan, the English zone has put itself in a various aspect.
Yeah.
It has proved in the aspects of competition, debates, and it has become a great institution, if we
Yeah.
call it. So I think it provides the things better. That's why we call English zone heritage of Makrana,
Makrana.
right?
And even one point is also whatever 5 points that is given by the Chanakya Niti, that whole reflect to the English zone also.
Yes,
That whole
I
is
agree.
the purpose you will get from here. You will get a learning desire.
Learnings.
You will learn from your elders. From here you will make a institute. And
Yes.
the last point that is documentation, and most of us are saying us that whole things reflecting that that is giving in English on also.
So I think it was a great discussion over the
Of course.
podcast, and these kind of learnings we are usually getting,
Yeah.
and that's why we are able to put all our point of views very openly. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you find any mistake, you can let us know. Thank you.
Thank you so much.